Problem: lots of knowledge, but no system. By this point, you have everything needed for trading. Know how to determine trend and flat, understand where to look for levels and zones of interest, can read price behavior and see patterns, know how to calculate stop loss and manage risk, understand how to choose time frame. But there's problem. While all this exists separately, it's not strategy. Most beginning traders get stuck exactly here. They know many elements, but can't connect them into a unified system. Result: each decision made anew. Today, entry by level, tomorrow by candles, day after by intuition. This creates chaos. To avoid this, need to unite all elements into clear sequence of actions. Simply put, create algorithm. If you're following our course, subscribe to channel and check out Strifor's Telegram daily market updates. Link in description. Step 1. Determining market state. First thing you do, look at market and ask question: trend or flat? If market in flat, don't use trend models. If market in trend, don't try catching reversals without reason. This is filter that immediately removes part of unnecessary trades. Step 2. Determining zone of interest. Next, look for where on chart makes sense to work. These can be zones of strong movement stop, zones of impulse start, range boundaries, liquidity levels. If price in middle of range, trades not considered. Try on Strifor demo account right now. Open chart, determine market state, find zone of interest. We'll see difference immediately. Step 3. Waiting for price reaction. When price approaches zone, you don't enter immediately. You observe. Is there reaction? Does struggle appear? Who starts showing initiative? This is key moment that distinguishes systematic approach from impulsive entry. For more precise entry point can switch to smaller time frames. Step 4. Confirmation through pattern. After reaction, look for confirmation. These can be patterns you already studied: false breakout, capitulation, trend continuation, price rejection. Important: pattern doesn't create idea, it confirms it. Step 5. Entry trigger. Now needs specific entry moment. For example, consolidation breakout, impulse candle, return under level, holding beyond zone. Without trigger, entry turns into guessing. Step 6. Risk calculation. Before entry, you must determine where stop loss, where target, what risk-reward ratio, and only after this position size calculated. Important: first risk, then size, then trade, exactly in this sequence. Step 7. Trade management. After entry, nothing needs inventing. You act by rules. Don't move stop without reason. Don't increase risk. Don't close trade because of emotions. Trade either realizes or doesn't. Practice assignments. Practice. 2 assignments on Strifor demo account. Assignment 1. Write your strategy algorithm. Open any instrument and form your full trading algorithm as clear steps. Use structure: market state, trend or flat, zone of interest, price reaction, confirmation, pattern, entry trigger, risk, stop, target, risk-reward ratio. Your task: write this in one block. For example, if market in trend, price returns to zone of interest, reaction appears, then pattern forms and breakout occurs. I open trade with pre-calculated risk. Important: no intuition, only clear conditions. Goal: turn knowledge into concrete rules. Assignment 2. Find and analyze 2 to 3 setups on chart. Open chart, find minimum 2 to 3 situations where your logic could work. For each situation, analyze: was there trend or flat? Was there zone of interest? Was there reaction? Was there pattern? Was there clear trigger? What would stop and target be? And most important, if even one element missing, do you consider this trade acceptable? Goal: learn to filter trades, not search for entry at any cost. Summary. Main thought: strategy is not set of indicators and not one pattern. Strategy is sequence of decisions. If each step clear and repeatable, trading becomes manageable. If steps absent, chaos begins. You don't have to see market perfectly. Don't have to guess every movement. Your task: act by system. When system exists, result becomes consequence of discipline, not luck. Your system is statistics and working with probability. Write in comments: did you manage to write your algorithm? Which element was hardest to formulate? Next session, we'll move to final stage: how to test strategy, which metrics matter, and why strategy can be profitable and unprofitable by months. Don't miss it.